Are you ready to turn your fall yard into a cozy, eye-catching retreat? Imagine walking outside and feeling the warm, autumn vibes surround you. What if I told you that with just a few simple changes, your yard could become the envy of the neighborhood? How can you mix the vibrant colors of fall with the natural beauty of your landscape? Stick around, because today I'm sharing the best fall yard decorating ideas that will transform your outdoor space into an autumn paradise. What's the best way to incorporate pumpkins and gourds into your yard decor without it feeling too cliché? To avoid the cliché of simply placing pumpkins and gourds in your yard, get creative with how you use them. Start by choosing a variety of pumpkins and gourds in different sizes and colors. White, green, and even blue pumpkins are popular alternatives to the traditional orange. Layer them with other fall elements, such as hay bales or rustic wooden crates, to create depth. You can also paint your pumpkins in trendy colors like gold, copper, or soft pastels, or carve intricate designs rather than the typical jack-o'-lantern faces. Focus on arranging them as focal points in your yard, like framing your front steps or highlighting a garden area. Additionally, pairing pumpkins with autumn flowers like mums or grasses can make your display feel fresh and vibrant rather than predictable. Looking for more seasonal inspiration? Check out the playlist in the description for more videos like this. How can you use lighting to create a warm, inviting atmosphere for those crisp fall evenings? Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for your outdoor space, especially during the fall when the days are shorter. String lights are an easy and effective way to add warmth and charm to your yard. You can drape them around trees, along fences, or over your patio. Lanterns, whether hanging or placed on the ground, provide a classic autumn feel, especially when paired with flickering LED candles or real ones if you're hosting a gathering. Pathway lights are both functional and decorative, ensuring your yard is well lit while also adding a soft glow that enhances the overall ambiance. If you want to highlight specific areas, such as a decorated front porch, use soft spotlights to draw attention without being overpowering. Lastly, a fire pit not only adds warmth but becomes a focal point for gatherings, making your yard the perfect spot for cozy fall evenings. Don't miss out on more amazing home and yard transformations. Hit that subscribe button and join our community. What are some unique DIY decorations that will make your yard stand out this season? DIY decorations allow you to infuse your personality into your fall yard decor while also saving money. One great idea is to make your own wreaths using twigs, pine cones, and autumn leaves, which you can gather during a nature walk. Mason jar lanterns are another simple yet effective DIY project. Fill them with fairy lights or small candles and place them along pathways or hang them from tree branches for a magical effect. For a touch of whimsy, create your own scarecrow using old clothes and burlap. This is a fun project that can involve the whole family. Pumpkin planters are a unique twist on the traditional pumpkin decor. Simply hollow out a large pumpkin and fill it with soil and your favorite fall flowers. Lastly, crafting seasonal signs with wood and paint allows you to add a personal message or a welcoming quote that guests will love. Love the decor pieces featured in this video? You can find all the products in the description below. How can you blend natural elements like leaves, pine cones, and branches into your fall decor for a rustic, organic look? To achieve a rustic and organic look in your fall yard decor, focus on using natural elements that blend seamlessly with the outdoor environment. Start by creating centerpieces using pine cones, acorns, and colorful leaves. These can be arranged in bowls, on tables, or even on your porch. Wreaths and garlands made from branches, berries, and dried leaves can add texture and a handmade feel to your decor. For a simple yet sophisticated look, fill clear vases with layers of natural materials like leaves and pine cones. These can be placed on your porch, steps, or even hung from trees. Scattering pine cones and acorns around the yard, especially at the base of trees or along walkways, adds a subtle but effective natural touch. Rustic planters made from wooden or metal containers, filled with natural elements and seasonal plants, help to tie the entire yard together in a cohesive, autumn-inspired theme. If you loved these fall yard ideas, don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who needs some autumn inspiration. What are the top trending colors and materials for outdoor fall decor this year? This fall, the trending colors are all about embracing the warmth and richness of the season. Earthy tones like burnt orange, deep reds, mustard yellow, and olive green are at the forefront, bringing a cozy, grounded feel to any yard. To balance these bold colors, neutrals like beige, cream, and gray are being used as accents, creating a harmonious palette that doesn't overwhelm the senses. Metallic touches, particularly in copper, bronze, and gold, are also popular, adding a modern and elegant twist to traditional fall decor. When it comes to materials, natural elements like wood, burlap, and wicker are key, providing a rustic and organic feel that complements the fall landscape. Additionally, there's a growing trend towards sustainable decor, with many people opting for eco-friendly materials and repurposing old items to create beautiful, environmentally conscious displays. Tell me in the comments, which of these fall yard decorating ideas are you excited to try? Or do you have your own creative fall tip to share? How can you design a cohesive fall yard that flows naturally from one area to another? Designing a cohesive fall yard involves thoughtful planning and a clear vision of how you want each area to complement the next. Start by choosing a color scheme that ties all your decor elements together. Whether you go for classic autumn hues or a more modern palette, consistency is key. Consider the layout of your yard. Designate specific areas for different activities, like a seating area around a fire pit, a decorative path lined with pumpkins and lanterns, and a focal point like a decorated porch or a large wreath on your front door. Use natural transitions such as pathways or garden beds to guide the eye from one area to the next. Layering is also important. Mix heights, textures, and materials to create depth and interest. By thinking about the overall flow and how each element interacts with the others, you can create a yard that feels harmonious and inviting. Want more fall decorating tips? Check the description below for links to more videos that will help you bring autumn to every corner of your home. As we've explored, transforming your yard into a stunning fall retreat is all about creativity, thoughtful planning, and attention to detail. From using pumpkins in fresh, unexpected ways to incorporating natural elements that celebrate the season, your yard can truly become a reflection of autumn's beauty. By following these tips, you'll create a space that not only you will enjoy, but also becomes a highlight of the neighborhood. So go ahead, embrace the season, and let your fall yard decor shine.